Coconut milk is one of the most versatile ingredients you can have in the kitchen. Yes, it makes fantastic curries, but it also is the best base to this chocolate mousse. And all you need is 3 ingredients. So in a jug, I'm going to add 400 mils of coconut milk. This one has no preservatives, no additives whatsoever, so all natural. And then to that, I'm going to add some melted chocolate. So I like to use a dark chocolate for this. Melt the chocolate and do allow it to cool down slightly so it's not too hot. You want everything to be roughly the same temperature when you're making a chocolate mousse. Okay, just to sweeten it up, and you can add as much or as little as you like, some maple syrup. You could also use honey for this. So a drizzle in there, and all we need to do now is blitz this with a stick blender until it comes together. Okay, so I was just blending that for about a minute. You don't need to blend it for too long because it will firm up in the fridge. I'm going to pour this into the little glasses and then we're going to chill it completely in the fridge. These coconut and chocolate mousses look fantastic, and you can see they've firmed up nicely. To finish them off, I like to garnish them with some raspberries and some blackberries. You could also use blueberries or strawberries. Look how pretty this looks. And I love the crunch of macadamias, so I'm just going to use a few of them. And these are roasted and salted, and I actually like the saltiness when you're having a bittersweet dessert just like this. A little sprinkle over the top, and that is the most beautiful dessert using coconut milk. See, I told you it was super versatile. Now, let's have a look at this. And it's the perfect consistency.